How to refer a friend or how to invite a friend on GPay account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can invite or refer a friend on the GPay account through the GPay application. Now you can download the Zip application from your Play Store, download the latest version of the Zip app, and then you want to go to the reward screen. From there you want to select a friend from your contact list, and that select a friend that you want to invite from your contact list. Simply get your Zip credit after that and invite as many friends as you wish. Here you can see the link here. Invite your friend. First you'll have to share your code. Use your unique referral code to share Zip with your friends. They get a reward once they have joined it using your code, and then you get a reward as well. So this is how you can invite a friend on GPay. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues, or if you have problem downloading the application. You can simply come to this link and tap on the Get the Zip application. It will directly take you to the Google Play Store. In my case, it's unavailable in my region, so if it's available in your region, you'll be able to download it.